Hey, Eric Dodds from RudderStack here. I have another release for you today. This one is about cloud event stream destination latency. I'll explain what I mean by that. One of the issues we've heard from customers is that managing expectations for downstream consumers of data can be difficult, especially if there are differences in expectations around how quickly that data is delivered. Now, you can always be sure that RudderStack is delivering data as quickly as we possibly can, but there are factors outside of our control. One of the big factors is downstream API performance. Some APIs are notorious for throttling or processing data very slowly. That means that even though RudderStack is trying to send data to those destinations at the same rate, they only process that data at the rate the downstream API allows. That means that different destinations can have the delivery of data happen at different levels of latency. There are also other factors that can impact this. Gigantic spikes in traffic mean that it takes a little bit longer for the system to process and drain those events. And then factors in your control, like how complex your transformations are and how long those take to run, can also impact latency. The punchline is that you need information to help you manage expectations with stakeholders and understand differences in latency across your different pipelines. That's exactly what we've delivered with Cloud Destination Event Stream Latency. First, you'll see a P95 latency metric here on the right-hand side in the Events tab. This is the P95 latency for events delivered within the selected time window. So for this particular metric, in the past 2 hours, 95% of events that were delivered within 14 seconds or faster. Keep in mind that's from ingestion at the very beginning of the pipeline to successful delivery to the destination with a 200 response from the API. We also show you latency over time. This can be really helpful for understanding sudden spikes or drops in latency that could be due to some outside factor. Again, that could be a spike in traffic or some sudden degradation of a downstream API. These metrics are available to org admins within RudderStack. That means that they can see these metrics and understand how latency is performing across different destinations. It's really helpful for managing expectations with their team and, of course, those downstream consumers. Reach out to us if you have any questions about this, and have a great day.